पारुल का जायका. Today I am going to make farali curry for fasting. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 400 grams yogurt, 2 tablespoons rajgira flour, 1 tablespoon ginger chili paste, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 5 to 6 cloves, 3 dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon sugar, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon clarified butter and 2 cup water. First in a bowl put yogurt, rajgira flour, ginger chili paste, sugar, salt and beat well to avoid lumps. Now in this put water and mix well. Now in a pan put clarified butter, dried red chilies, cloves, cumin seeds, curry leaves, prepared rajgira curd mixture and mix well until boils well. We need to boil it for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Hot and healthy farali curry is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then stay foodie and stay healthy.